Hey guys, I'm Kathleen Lights and this is my Briogeo B.Well Essential Oils Kit. We created a crystal and aromatherapy essential oil kit. It comes with 3, you have a little nice trio here. And the best part about this is that each roller comes with a crystal where the roller ball is supposed to be. The amethyst one has lavender and bergamot. The rose quartz one offers rose and clove. The citrine one has cedar and sandalwood. I love using lavender and chill at night specifically because lavender is so calming and it really does help me sleep. Rose and reset is actually the one I love to throw in my purse. This is the one that I reapply like a million times throughout the day. I love using citrine and centered right in the morning because it really does just get me going for the day. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I am so proud of it. So pick it up while you can.